Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a video to your Shopify homepage in 2023. Adding a video can enhance the visual appeal and engagement of your online store, helping you showcase your products or tell your brand story effectively. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps of adding a video to your Shopify homepage and make it an engaging local or focal point. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, of course, now before of course adding a video to your Shopify homepage, make sure that you have a high quality video file that aligns with your brand and content strategies. Consider creating or sourcing a video that highlights your products or showcase your brand values or even tell like a compelling story. Then of course, you'll have to upload your hosting video to a hosting or upload your video to a hosting platform. So to add a video to your Shopify homepage, you'll need to upload it to a video hosting platform. Popular options, of course, include like YouTube and Vimeo or even Wistia. Upload your video to the chosen platform and make sure it's set to public or enlisted depending on your preferences of visibility. So if you want just the people who has the link to see it, you can simply put it on enlisted. Or if you want to everyone see it, you can simply set it on public. Once you do so, of course, or once your video is uploaded, you'll need to obtain the embedded code. So in most video hosting platforms, you can find the embed code by clicking on share or embed code, or you can simply copy the URL section of the code, like in YouTube. So you can copy the provided embed code to your clipboard. Then you'll have to go and access your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to the URL section, type shopify.com, and simply log in into your account if you have one. If you don't, you can always go and click on start a free trial, and you will get a 3 days for free for every store that you create, unless you get one of their plans that they have here. So for me, I'm just going to log in into my store as an example. And once you access your dashboard, of course, you'll have to navigate to the online store and select themes. So as you can see on this left panel, you'll find online store, click on it. Once you click on it, as you can see, you'll find themes right here. So make sure to click on that. From this drop-down menu, of course, you'll find it. Once you do so, you'll find this option to customize, to enter the theme customization, to enter, of course, the theme customization editor. For me, I'm just going to click on it. Once I click on it, as you can see, from here, I'll be able to do whatever I want with this. So I can simply add a videos section to your homepage. So in the theme customization editor, look for a section where you want to add your video on your homepage. It could be also like the hero section, a featured section, or a dedicated like video section. You can click on add a section if you want to add more sections if you want to. So simply I'm just going here and add a sector to templates as an example, or I can go as example here. I'm just going to add or even I go to this list panel and click on add a section, and I'm just going with custom liquid. So here, once I added my section, of course, look for the option to add the content or customize the section. If there is a specific video content block, click on it and select the option to add your custom HTML or embed code. And then you can simply paste the embed code you copied earlier into the destination or designated field. So as an example, if you click here, as an example, you'll be able to duplicate it or hide, remove. And if you click here, as you can see, will not be able to do much. But as you can see on this right panel, you'll be able to do some custom liquid here or color scheme. You'll be able even to add some custom CSS. If you don't want this as example, you can always go and delete it and add another section or block if you want to. As example, you'll be able to add like whatever block you want or section. Let's just add a section here and let's just go and look for video and see if they have, yeah, they have a video section. So simply click on it, and as you can see, there it's going to be the video. So you can put a title to it. I'm just going to put like test Of course, for you, make sure to have something accurate. The heading size, it could be large, it could be medium, and it could be small, depending on whatever you like. For me, I'm just going to list medium, and I'm just going to check this option, which is play video on loop. So if you didn't check this option, the video will play once, it will play once and will stop. But if you check it, the video will keep playing over and over. So if you click on select video here, as you can see, you'll be able to upload video right away from your PC. But normally, if the video is too big, you'll not be able to upload it here. So as you can see now, as an example, if you have a short video, you'll be able to upload it. And once it's uploaded, select it from here, click on done, and you'll find your video here. If you don't, as you can see, you'll have to go or embed a video from URL. So this shown where no Shopify host video is selected. So simply go and enter whatever URL section or whatever embedded code you have or URL you have and paste it simply here. I'm just going, like as an example here, to YouTube. I'm just going to get a random video. As an example, this one. And I'm just going to copy the URL of this video and simply paste it here. And as you can see, the video is here. So now I can even choose a cover image for it. I'm just going to choose like a random image for my PC. Of course, it should not be like a good image. I'm just going to show you. And of course, for you, you can do some accurate stuff. So here we'll have to wait. As you can see, it's processing now. Once it's uploaded, select it, click on done. And as you can see, this is going to be the preview image for it. Here, you can even add some video alt text if you want to. And as you can see, you can even make like the section full width if you want to. If you want to, you can simply let's set it as it is. And here you'll be able to change the color scheme and section padding. And you can even change this theme settings and custom CSS. Once you're done with everything here, you can simply hit the save button. Once you hit the save button, click on play. And the video now is unavailable because I cannot actually preview the things here. But of course, I can test this video if I go to my store, as example, open a new tab, go to your store from this tab, and check if this video is working. So if it's working, that will be great. You can even, as a business involves, like, or you receive, or as your business evolves, or you receive feedback from customers, you may want to update or optimize your video. Consider like monitoring engagement metrics such as video views and conversions rates, and make adjustments accordingly to maximize its impact. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully added a video to your Shopify homepage in 2023. By incorporating video content, you can capture visitors' attention and convey your brand message effectively and enhance the overall user experience. Remember to choose compiling videos, optimize settings for optimal playback, and regularly review and update your content as needed. So thank you for watching and best of luck with your Shopify store. And I'll see you in the next video.